Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I come with today's video. I am showing the bag of the month for the month of January. As you guys know, I always come towards the end of the month showing the month's the bag for that month. So this bag is called Amari. Amari means builder, strength, resilience. It can also mean promised by God or God's hand, to be loved. That's just some of the meanings. And so yeah, without further ado, here is January's bag. I know it looks kind of probably off a little bit, but I call this bag a loop bag. I wanted to try this out and see, you know, how it come out. So this is what I decided to do for January's bag. I call it a loop bag, where you basically, it's really tight because I got it strong. This is the inside of her, and it's pretty much a long like hoop handle, and then there's this part here and it goes through here, and you close her up like that, and you basically can wear her on your wrist. And she comes with a little pom-pom with the band, the same color as her inside. And then I did the chain with also the fabric of the inside running through the chain. So that is this bag, January's bag. The bottom is the bag bottom that I did, where I put the feet on this bottom so it can actually sit. So yeah, this is January's bag. So if you like this this style of bag, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know if you like this style or not. I think it came out really cute for what I was trying to create, the thought that I was receiving to create it. So yeah, this is January's bag. So give me a like, comment, let me know what you think. It will be available either January 31st or February 1st in my shop, on my website, should I say. So I look forward to seeing you guys for February bag. Bye.